I'm gonna be doing something really, really different. I'm trying to make sure this video is really short. I'm trying to talk really, really fast, but it's not gonna work because you're not gonna understand me. And then it's gonna be 90 seconds, and then it's gonna be like 5 minutes in it. Hello, if you've never seen me before, hi, my name is Youkeyy, and if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. I'm gonna be doing top 5 dirt cheap makeup hacks that I have utilized or I've discovered on my own. These are things that I've done for a while, some of them many years. Some of you may know about some of these already, some of you may not, but I definitely wanted to put up a video like this, especially for those of you who are new to makeup. My 5 dirt cheap makeup hacks in under 90 seconds, and go. If you don't want to spend a lot to clean your brushes, use a mixture of dishwashing soap and olive oil or any other light oil. Swirl a brush in your palm, then run it under water while swirling back and forth until all the makeup, dirt, and soap is out. You can also use a textured surface like a brush cleaning mat to help make this faster and give your palms a break. Pat dry and use something like the brush guard to retain the shape of the brush while drying. You can also get some cheap mesh holders, but they tend to be very flimsy compared to the brush guard. Place your brushes in a cup upside down and leave them to dry. The brush guard does sell a cup you can use to dry your brushes, but you can make your own by cutting holes into a tall paper cup. Very DIY style, super fancy, super bougie. When traveling, I hate taking full-size bottles of makeup products, so I just keep my Sephora testers and refill them with my foundation. If you're like me and you wear contacts, use an old contact lens case and put your products in there. You can do foundation, concealer, primer, skincare products, a whole bunch of stuff, and the lens case stays secure. Mixing palettes can be expensive, but if you happen to have an old Pringles can around, you can just use the lid. Just disinfect it, place your products on there, and apply. The edge of the lid also prevents things from spilling over. You can do this to mix foundations, glitters, lip creams, just about anything. The Sephora color switch lets you remove eyeshadow pigments from your brush, so you can go in with a different color using the same brush. It's $18, but you can just use a mesh hair donut, stuff it into a tin can, and it's pretty much the same thing. If you enjoyed this, do not forget to give it a big thumbs up and also comment down below in the comment section to let me know what you think. If you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and also hit the bell to get all notifications so you do not miss any of my videos. Be sure to follow me on social media. I'm on Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, Vero, Facebook, all of that. Thank you once again for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one, Lord willing. Stay blessed. Bye. I'm trying to record. I'm trying to record, but everybody keeps talking and it's picking up the noise. I'm trying to record.